So yo, today we're gonna go over the WALAKut puff settings, HTV from Heat Transfer Warehouse. I ain't got a lot of time, you ain't got a lot of time, but the great thing about YouTube is you slow the video down, you can wind the video, you can fast forward the video. Nevertheless, I shouldn't have to slow down in order for you to catch up. So yo, welcome back to another episode of On Again with Andre Glenn. And like I said, from Heat Transfer Warehouse, we have none other than the newest colors of puff. All right, this right here is orange. This is the actual orange puff. Okay, orange puff. Let's see what else we got. We got this cool blue. What's it actually called though, yo? WALAKut Puff Aqua. What's this green right here? It's like a candy apple green almost. Puff Emerald green. We shall see. Now this another, it looks green. It looks like a real dark green though. Let's see what it is. Yo, this is Puff Green. Next one we got, what is this? Oh, this is Puff Royal Blue. What's the next one we got? Now this one look more like Royal Blue. It's that Puff Neon Blue. Oh yeah, I want to see what that Puff Neon come out looking like. I think this one right here is the Puff Black. Let's see. Never know nowadays. Yeah, this is Puff Black. But today, we're gonna use Puff Orange. I am going to put this Puff Orange on a black Bella+Canvas shirt. So I already got it cut out. We're gonna go to the website right quick. So here we are on the actual website. And we got the WALAKut Puff. It says 305 for 10 seconds, peel hot, medium even pressure, cut in reverse. It applies to cotton, uncoated polyester, fabric blends, polyester, acrylic, and similar fabrics, no nylon. All right? So wash inside out, cold water, gentle cycle, tumble dry low. So if y'all are selling this or giving this to somebody, make sure you put that on your tag, or make sure that, you know, I know it's asking a lot, but you need to insinuate that on your neck label if you can, or make sure that you just let them know in some way, shape, or form. So the Cricut cut settings is you want to cut it like an iron-on, default, fine point blade. So I actually cut mine like regular vinyl. I didn't do the iron-on, but I'm pretty sure both ways will work. If you have an issue with the iron-on, try the regular vinyl. I'm not saying that it's something wrong. I'm just saying that, you know, I'm just letting you know what I did and it worked out fine. Now here's what I did that created a problem. When I cut it, I didn't know the right side to cut it on. So the shiny side is actually the side you want to have facing up to cut in reverse or mirror. It's actually the shiny side. Transfer versus adhesive. All right, this side is the side with the transfer, and this side is the side with the adhesive. And Heat Transfer Warehouse's links will be down in the description below. So here we are, we're going back. I'll put my Teflon sheet over here, 10 seconds. All right. Firm, even pressure. Hopefully I didn't just mess it up. All right, y'all, so there you have it, WALAKut Puff Vinyl. Any questions, comments, concerns, leave it in the comments. Until next time, y'all, don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.